Welcome to Tasty Trials by Junaid. Today we are going to make Andhra style chicken pickle. Heat the oil in a pan. Fry 1 kg boneless chicken cut into cubes. Chicken we have to deep fry until it's brown. If the chicken is not fried well, our pickle might spoil. Fry it until the red color comes. Now our chicken is fried and we'll separate it. In a separate pan, add 250 ml oil. This is the same oil in which we fried the chicken. Add 200 grams of ginger garlic paste. Fry it until golden brown. Our ginger garlic paste is golden brown now. Now we'll add the fried chicken. At this stage we'll add the spices also. 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon red chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Mix it properly and cook it on low flame. Don't cook it on high flame, otherwise your spices might burn and it will not give a good taste. You have to cook it on low flame until our spices are cooked properly. Our pickle is ready. You can store it up to 2 months. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. It will enhance the flavor. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.